The gap between the rich and poor is growing wider each day, and it's not just about the amount of money one has. There are a lot of things that separate the wealthy from the impoverished, including the habits they form and the choices they make. In this video, we'll explore some of the things that poor people do that the rich don't, and how these habits can impact their financial well-being. Not saving money. One of the primary things that separates the wealthy from the impoverished is their ability to save money. While the rich make a habit of putting money aside each month, the poor often struggle to make ends meet and have little or no savings. This can be due to a lack of financial literacy, but also due to the fact that many people who are living in poverty are simply unable to put money away due to the high cost of living. Overspending. Another habit that often separates the rich from the poor is their spending habits. The wealthy tend to be more frugal, and they prioritize investing their money over buying unnecessary luxury items. On the other hand, the poor may overspend on things like clothes, cars, and entertainment, which can quickly drain their bank accounts. Not investing. Investing is a crucial part of building wealth, but many people who are living in poverty do not have the means to invest. Even if they do have some extra cash, they may not know how to invest it, or may be afraid of losing their money. This is one area where financial literacy can make a significant difference, as it can help people understand the importance of investing and teach them how to do so effectively. Failing to budget. Budgeting is a critical skill for anyone who wants to build wealth, but it's something that many people who are living in poverty struggle with. Without a budget, it's easy to overspend and to get into debt, which can make it even harder to save money and invest. Creating a budget and sticking to it is an essential step in building financial stability. Not pursuing education. Education is a key factor in determining one's financial well-being, and it's something that many poor people do not have access to. Without a good education, it can be difficult to find well-paying jobs or to advance in one's career. This can lead to a cycle of poverty that is hard to break. On the other hand, the wealthy often prioritize education and invest in their own learning, which can help them achieve greater success. Not seeking professional help. Many people who are living in poverty may be hesitant to seek professional help with their finances, either because they don't trust financial professionals or because they can't afford their services. However, seeking out a financial advisor or other professional can make a significant difference in one's financial well-being. These professionals can help people create a budget, invest their money, and make sound financial decisions that can help them build wealth over time. Living beyond their means. Living beyond one's means is a common problem for people who are living in poverty. When one is struggling to make ends meet, it can be tempting to take on debt or to make purchases that are beyond one's budget. However, this can quickly lead to financial instability and can make it even harder to climb out of poverty. The wealthy, on the other hand, are more likely to live within their means and to prioritize saving and investing over immediate gratification. Not having a plan. Finally, one of the things that separates the rich from the poor is their ability to plan for the future. The wealthy often have a long-term plan for their finances, and they make deliberate choices about how to invest their money and how to save for retirement. People who are living in poverty, on the other hand, may not have the luxury of thinking about the future because they are focused on making ends meet in the present. However, creating a plan, even if it's just a short-term one, can help people make better financial decisions and achieve greater stability over time. Not networking. Networking is an essential part of building wealth and success, but it's something that many people who are living in poverty don't have access to. The wealthy often have access to powerful networks, whether it's through attending elite schools, joining prestigious clubs, or working in high-profile industries. This can provide them with opportunities for mentorship, career advancement, and business partnerships that can help them achieve greater success. Poor people, on the other hand, may not have the same access to networks and may struggle to make valuable connections that can help them advance in their careers. Thank you for watching this video on the habits and behaviors that differentiate between the rich and the poor. We've covered some of the key differences between the two groups, including their attitudes towards saving, investing, education, budgeting, seeking professional help, networking, and self-belief. While it's important to acknowledge that many people who are living in poverty face systemic barriers that can make it difficult to achieve financial stability, understanding these habits and behaviors can be a valuable tool for anyone who wants to improve their financial well-being. By focusing on financial literacy, making deliberate choices about how to manage your finances, and seeking professional help when needed, you can take steps toward achieving greater financial stability and breaking the cycle of poverty. If you found this video informative, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more content on personal finance and financial education. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.